I'm Renee Changton with jetAVIVA, and today we'll be taking a look at Bombardier's class-leading super midsize jet, the Challenger 300. I had the privilege of working on the design team for the Challenger 300 aircraft, from conceptual design all the way through flight testing and certification, so I know this aircraft inside and out. The Challenger 300 was certified in 2003, and Bombardier delivered more than 450 aircraft in only 10 years. A fantastic feat for any business jet manufacturer. Following this incredible run, it was replaced in Bombardier's lineup with the upgraded Challenger 350, which has been equally successful with more than 200 deliveries to date. The first thing you'll notice when approaching is the commanding ramp presence of the aircraft, sitting tall and proud on its landing gear. It really does feel more like a large cabin jet than a midsize. And everyone agrees that it's a great looking aircraft with sleek lines from nose to tail. Long-range cruise speed for this aircraft is Mach 0.80, so there's no need to slow down to achieve the published range numbers. When taking off at max takeoff weight, you can climb directly to flight level 410 and achieve a range greater than 3,000 nautical miles with a full passenger load. The Challenger 300 will link any two cities in the continental US non-stop, as well as reach Hawaii from the west coast or Europe from the east coast. True versatility. Field performance is also impressive. In standard conditions, the Challenger 300 has a balanced field length of roughly 4,800 feet when departing at maximum takeoff weight. The extremely durable carbon brakes and large ground spoilers combine to provide book stopping distance below 2,300 feet in typical landing conditions. In real-life operations, when using thrust reversers, stopping distances will be actually even shorter. No wonder crews say it stops on a dime. You'll also notice that the batteries are located in an easily accessible location at waist level to ease removal and reinstallation. The Challenger 300 was designed for ease of maintenance from day one. The Bombardier design team used their experience and lessons learned from developing the Canadair regional jet family and Challenger 600 series when designing the airframe and systems. The Challenger 300's DC electrical system, single air conditioning pack, manual ailerons, and command-by-wire spoilers were all chosen for their simplicity and reliability. In addition, all the avionics line-replaceable units are housed in above-floor modular avionics racks located directly behind the cockpit for ease of access. With well over 1 million flight hours, the HTF 7000 engines on the Challenger 300 have exceeded all expectations from a reliability, durability, and maintainability standpoint. So much so that Gulfstream, Embraer, and Textron have all used a derivative of this engine on their newest products. Rated at 6,826 pounds of thrust per side and flat rated to ISA plus 15 degrees Celsius, the H7000 engines are on condition. This provides great flexibility for each owner's specific type of operation and ultimately reduces maintenance costs. The Challenger 300's class-leading attributes are another reason that have made it so successful. The cabin is just over 6 feet tall and 7 foot 2 inches wide. The Challenger 300 has a flat floor throughout the cabin, and it also allows unrestricted access to the heated and pressurized baggage compartment at any time during flight. There is no altitude or time limit. Standard seating is a double club seating 8 passengers comfortably. This aircraft features a 3-seat divan on the left-hand side, which boosts capacity to 9 passengers and provides a comfortable wide bed for sleeping when berthed. The club seats in the forward section can also be swiveled and berthed to create 2 more sleeping positions. Most Challenger 300s will also have a belted lav, which adds an additional seating position for takeoff and landing. Once seated, you'll notice that each seat has its own individual touchscreen. The aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art entertainment system designed by Lufthansa Technique. It features digital audio and video and a user-friendly iPod-like interface. There is also a dock located in the forward wardrobe where you can connect your Apple device and then control the music selection from the VIP seat. The cabin also features 2 standard widescreen 20-inch monitors, one at the front and the other on the rear bulkhead. You'll also notice that there are no visible speakers anywhere. That's because the Challenger 300 uses trim panel speakers. This technology attaches small actuators to the backside of every sidewall. These actuators make the whole sidewall vibrate to create evenly dispersed high-fidelity sound throughout the cabin. It actually feels like the sound is coming from nowhere and everywhere at once. As you can see, the Challenger 300 features the cleanest cockpit in corporate aviation. All switches and controls are at eye level.
with nothing on the overhead panel.
The only thing you'll find up here is a handle to help the crew get into their seats. The Rockwell Collins ProLine 21 fully integrated avionics suite provides great situational awareness and requires low workload from the flight crew.
The 4 large LCD displays provide ample room to pull up system synoptics pages and Jepson charts on the pilot and co-pilot side.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Challenger 300. Feel free to contact us with any questions you have. We like talking about them almost as much as we love flying them.